All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we are going to be showing the Honda Grom some love. So let me show you what we have in the box. So we have a 38 tooth driven rear sprocket. Okay, here you go. It's gonna look way better than the stock. And then we have a 14 tooth front sprocket, and then we have the DID 420 chain, and this all came recommended from Rodney Sargent. So I really do appreciate that. So we're gonna head over to Dembowski Motorsports, and we're gonna work on the Grom together and get this bad boy all sprocketed up, because I do want to learn how to stunt. So supposedly this is gonna make the bike more streetable in fifth, and obviously should help with popping the clutch and getting the front wheel up. So let's head on to Dembowski's. All right, just got back from Dembowski Motorsports. If you guys are in the Navarre, Pensacola, Fort Walton Beach area, you guys got to hit them up for all your motorcycle needs. We got the rear sprocket on and the front sprocket. I'm going to tie this video into tomorrow's video of me riding to the beach. On the ride home, I can tell you one thing: with the new chain front and rear sprocket, it's a lot quieter. Like the factory stock junk on here is super loud, so it's a lot quieter. And let's take a look at the chain and sprocket. I didn't do much filming when I was up there. They had a lot going on and stuff, so we just got straight to work. Big shout out to Zach. Thank you for putting your touch on the bike. So as you can see, here is the driven rear sprocket and the DID chain, and of course you can't see the front sprocket at all. But we drove the bike around, and we noticed the bike was having like this transmission clutch sound. So we pulled the case off, drained the oil, all that stuff, checked out the clutch plate and the clutch springs, and the like if you're like in first gear and you hold the clutch in, not going 0 miles per hour, the bike jolts forward a little bit. And then like when you're going like maybe 20 miles an hour in second gear and you pull the clutch like all the way in and you hold the brake, it makes this like clunking, like chattering noise, and we can't figure out what it is. We'll have to figure that out another day. So comment down below if you know maybe what's going on with that. And also, when I was coming home on the highway, like maybe around 50, 55 cruising, the bike also, clutch fully out, it kind of jolts a little bit. I don't know what's going on with it. We thought maybe, so this bolt right here was a little bit loose, and then it was off of that little black piece right there. But we got that fixed, and the bike's still doing it, so I don't really know what's going on with that. But like I said, I'm going to tie this video into cruising the beach tomorrow, so you guys can see, well, not necessarily see the difference, but I think Zach said the bike's probably going to be off maybe 3 to 5 miles an hour. It was easy to see 70 on the speedometer with having the 14 tooth up front. So I'm going to end it here, and then tomorrow, as long as it's sun shining and beautiful out, we're going to take the bike and cruise the beach. I need to wash the bike a little bit, but also I got to pull the ECU out this weekend as well. We're going to be sending it off to David at DHM Motoring. We are going to be getting their 149cc big bore kit, and I cannot wait for that. All right, it is the next day, and we're going to go finish filming the rest of the video. It's 90 degrees here in Florida, but we're going to hop across the bridge, go check out the beach, and let you see how the new chain and sprocket are performing. And I will say the acceleration is a lot faster for sure. So let's go ahead and warm the bike up. See if we can get it started on the first crank. Nope. Here we go. All right, let this bad boy warm up, and then we're going to head to the beach. All right, we have made it over here to Navarre Beach. Traffic's moving pretty pretty good actually. I was thinking for a Sunday, I thought it'd be a lot more packed. Or I would at least think the traffic would be a lot more, but yeah, it's an absolute beautiful day. Here we go. Riding over the bridge. Water seems pretty calm here on the south side. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we did new chain and new front and rear sprocket. Now, I must say, I did not know that the 22 Groms came with a factory 38 tooth in the rear. So even though we replaced it with a 38, we replaced it with a way better rear sprocket than from the factory. So the only thing we really changed was the 14 tooth up front, and we put a better 38 tooth rear driven sprocket on. And I must say the acceleration on the bike is way better. I need to get the draggy out and see how much different the speedometer is, how far off it is. If I had to guess, I'd say it's probably like 3, maybe 4 miles an hour off. But I played around a little bit yesterday with the first gear, and just, you know, slightly letting the clutch out and giving it gas. The front tire, birds are nesting. The front tire does come off the ground, so it is going to make it a lot easier to clutch up and get this front wheel off the ground. And supposed to be working with a company called Solid Stunt Industries to get a 12 bar for the rear. So we'll see how that goes. Comment down below on what stunt cage or what all do you guys use to protect your bike in case of a loop, or in case you drop it. I'm sure it's bound to happen for sure. Looks like there's a lot of people out playing volleyball today. Like I said, traffic's not moving bad at all. And don't quote me, but I may be saying this wrong. We are going to be participating in Crushing the Coast. It's where they ride from Pensacola, Florida, all the way to Panama City. I believe that is the 30th. July 30th. It's whatever the last Saturday is of this month. Connor and I are going to be going, and then hopefully, as well as some other guys who ride, hopefully we can get them to go. I think that'll be a fun event. Connor's going to take his MT-03, and I am going to take the Duke. Definitely don't want to ride these small bores. I don't know, 50, 60 miles round trip. Who knows? It may even be longer than that. But yeah, crushing the coast should be a good time. And well, I'm looking forward to meeting a lot of people and getting out there riding. I think that'll be my first. That'll be I think my first big group ride. I don't think I've done a huge group ride before. Only group rides I've really ridden have just been here with the local guys, and that may be like 7 or 8 deep. Nothing crazy. But if you made it this far in the video, please comment down below and let me know. Do you guys like straight up just me talking and writing content like this? Because I definitely enjoy making it. Yeah, we gotta find out how off the speedometer is. On my ride back yesterday from Naboski's, I think I got up to like, I've never seen this speedometer say 72 before, and I know good and well I wasn't going 72. I might have been going 65. But we'll get the draggy out and see how much going down one tooth in the front changes the how far off it throws the speedometer. Yeah, they are building up a lot of houses here. I haven't ridden this side of the beach in probably maybe a month. But back to the whole reason why I did the sprockets. For one, you know, you get a lot of noise from the stock jump, stock chain, stock sprockets, and I wanted to be able to have more acceleration. And you know, Rodney suggested if I wanted to learn how to start stunning and lifting that wheel off the ground, to do a 14 tooth and a 38 tooth. Little did I know, the 22s come with a 38 in the rear from the factory, but it's all good. And plus, the driven one looks way better than the factory one too. And I don't have that nasty noise that I used to have on that freaking chain. And I will be curious to see how the DHM 149 big bore kit, that I gotta pull my ECU today, and I'm gonna send it off in the mail tomorrow, and then hopefully David can have that kit back to me in the mail. Hopefully get it by sometime Friday or Saturday. That'd be really cool. And then Zach, the owner of Demboski Motorsports, he was like, hey, he wants to work on it together. We're gonna do that big bore kit. We're gonna install that bad boy together. So I was like, sure, why not? I mean, I did the high compression piston. I was like, I could do that, but I'll do the, so I was like, yeah, we could take the, I can take the Grom up there. We could do the 149 kit, no big deal. I think from that kit alone, the bike gets, don't quote me, I think it's about 14 horsepower. So it's gonna be a big jump. I've seen some people, I think I saw a dyno that said 16, which that's a lot of power. I need to find an oil cooler that works with the man in the box intake. So if you know one, please comment down below. These guys are getting irritated. 65, that might have been 60 tops, TBH, who knows. Oh, we're on Ohio Street. She's peppy. Man, I gotta figure out what's going on with this clutch thing. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but like, just standing here and first with my hand, you know, with the clutch in, the bike wants to jolt forward a little bit, and it just makes this really weird clankety clank 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 noise. I don't know what it is. I have no idea what it is. Are you crossing the road or not? Guess she is. No worries. Yeah, let me know if you guys had any of those, that clanking sound from your transmission. Like, it's weird, man. Just like holding in the clutch, you hear it? Oh my god, it's like it's not fully disengaging. See if I can make it do it again. There it goes. Probably not gonna be able to hear it because the mic's in my daggum helmet, but Zach took the case off yesterday. Clutch looks fine, and everything looks fine, and we can't figure out what's making that noise. We pulled the clutch plate, clutch springs, you know, double checked all, you know, how tight everything was. Everything was perfect, and it's still doing it. And I have no idea what exactly is going wrong. We should have just pulled the entire clutch out while we had it out yesterday, or not out, while we had the bike already torn down as far as that case and all that stuff. I had to loosen my helmet. I'm getting choked up a little bit. I tell you, one of the hardest things about making YouTube videos is I'm not good with thumbnails, so I gotta ride around and find somewhere to take a thumbnail for the day. No, that might not have been a bad idea. Let's go back there. Go take one right there in the beach. Oh, thumbnails are my least favorite. Hey, if you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below. Would you guys like to see me build a Honda Ruckus? I've been really thinking about building a Ruckus and doing some cool Ruckus content. I think, you know, the guys have Ruckus, and I think they're perfect. I think they're perfect for all the stuff that, man, listen to that. God, that just sounds horrible. All right, let me snap this photo real quick. All right, thumbnail acquired. Sometimes it's awkward because people are like, look at you and stuff, but it is what it is. Okay, let's get out of here. Skedaddle. All right, but yeah, like I said, let me know in the comment section. Sorry, I feel like I'm yelling. Let me know down in the comment section if you'd like to see me build a 171 GY6 Ruck, all that good stuff. I think it'd be a blast to have out here. Let me know if you're interested in that content, and do not forget, we got 2 vehicles coming from Japan. I should have them by the end of next week, hopefully. I can't wait to start making content with them, and we've got a bunch of parts already ordered for them. So they've already started showing up to the house. So should have a bunch of videos coming in the coming weeks, back to back. My goal is to try to give you guys a video every 3 days, but I'm gonna stop by the gas station, get some gas, fill this bike up, and we're gonna head home and edit this video so I can get it out for you guys today. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, leave this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down in the comment section so I know you watched the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.